Ever wondered what's the best file format for printing your images? Well, you're not alone. Many of us tend to overlook the importance of choosing the right file format when it comes to printing our images. The truth is, as long as your photo editing software can open your image, you can print it. But here's the catch. Not all file formats yield the same quality of prints. Let's talk about JPEG, TIFF, and PSD, three commonly used file formats in digital photography. JPEG is a popular format due to its flexibility in compressing data. However, this compression comes with a downside. If you save your images as highly compressed JPEG files, the final prints will mirror the loss of image quality that happens during compression. On the other hand, TIFF and Photoshop's PSD file formats are your go-to formats for high-quality prints. Why, you ask? Well, unlike JPEG, these formats do not compress your image data, ensuring that no details are lost in the process. The result? Crisper and higher quality prints. But remember, the quality of your print is directly proportional to the quality of your saved file. If you've saved a high-quality image, regardless of the format, you're likely to get a good print out of it. The key here is to follow a suitable sharpening and color management workflow, which we'll delve into in our upcoming videos. Now you might be thinking, okay, so should I just save all my images as TIFF or PSD files? Not so fast. While these formats are excellent for preserving quality, they also result in larger file sizes, which can be a problem if you're planning to share your images via email or on the web. You need to strike a balance between image size and quality, and that's where JPEG, despite its compression, can come in handy. Remember, if the saved file looks good, so will the print. So choose your file format wisely. Now, while it's great to save your images as TIFF files for the best quality, there's an exception to the rule. When it comes to sending those beautifully crafted images via email, we hit a speed bump. Even with high-speed internet, emailing large TIFF files can feel like sending a carrier pigeon. So we need to find a middle ground between image size and quality. Enter JPEG, our email-friendly format. JPEG allows us to compress those large files into a size that's more manageable for email. It's like packing a suitcase for a trip. You want to bring your best outfits, but you also need to be able to close the suitcase. With JPEG compression, we can do just that. We can still showcase the quality of our images, but in a size that won't clog up inboxes or take ages to download. So when emailing images, it's all about striking the right balance between size and quality. By now, you should have a better understanding of file formats and their impact on printing quality. We've delved into the nitty-gritty of how these formats, be it TIFF, PSD, or JPEG, can influence the final outcome of your prints. A critical takeaway here is that the quality of your saved file is paramount to getting stellar prints. We've also underscored the importance of saving high-quality files, especially in TIFF or PSD formats for optimum printing results. These formats preserve the richness and fidelity of your images, ensuring that what you see on screen is what you get on paper. However, when it comes to emailing images, we've learned that JPEG is your best bet. This format allows you to strike a balance between maintaining decent image quality and keeping file sizes manageable for speedy delivery. Keep exploring the world of digital photography, and remember, the quality of your saved file is key to a great print.